Hi guys, it's Any, aka the Not Trader, your friendly neighborhood swing trader, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about an event I attended today on the 6th of April 2019. It's called the Master Investor Show in London. Let's get to the video. Before I get into the video, you know what I'm going to ask you to do? Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I started to talk like all the other YouTubers these days. I've got a nice little subscribe icon. Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, I've got all three at the Not Trade on all social media platforms. And if you go into the description section of this video, you'll find the link to my mailing list where you'll get updated on all my videos and an update on all the trades that I'm in and what trades I'm going to enter. So just get into the subscribers list, and also if you're in my subscriber mailing list, you'll get early access and free access to my training course that I'm building together. It'll be out soon. But let's get into the video. So, the Master Investor Show in London. This is the first time I've attended this event, and it was really good. I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of key takeaways, a lot of great speakers. It was held near Angel Station in London. It's very good event, and I'd encourage anyone to go that's interested in retail investing, or private investing as they call it. But yeah, it's the UK's largest event for private investors. So I call them retail investors, they call them private investors. It's the same thing. It's anyone that's investing or trading with their own capital, as opposed to institutional investors and traders. So just a bit about the event. Yeah, as I say, there was over 5,000 investors that attended this year. I don't know. It seems pretty busy to be honest. So I could believe that number. There's quite a lot of people there, and I was only there for a couple of hours. They had 100 exhibitors. I want to talk to you about a few of the ones that I spoke to a bit more, and there was lots of speakers as well. The ones that was a real highlight to me. The speaker that was a real highlight to me was Tom Stevenson, who's an investment director for Fidelity International. And he gave a talk about, he called it, "Is it time to buy British?" So what that talk was about was arguing the case for why it might be time to start investing more in UK markets, which kind of, I've got confirmation bias because I love to trade UK stocks. So he was just kind of telling me what I wanted to hear, but it was good because now I've got data to back up my strategy, which is good. So thanks, Tom. I'm going to go into depth about that more in another video, because I can make a whole video just about his presentation. It was really good. Just corroborating the fact that UK stocks and shares have been very undervalued, and now may be a great time to enter the UK market while it's discounted. But I don't want to give you everything. I'll go over it in another video. I also spoke to some guys at City Index. City Index is a Spreadbetting Forex and CFD trading platform similar to IG. Well, they're direct competitors to IG. As you know, I use IG, but I spoke to the guys at Stands, and they gave me some great insight into some of the new developments that they have in their roadmap, and it's very interesting. Very interesting. I might open an account and have a little play with City Index based off of what they told me. They're really trying to push the platform forward. I had a great chat with one of their I think it was client managers, private investor client manager, or relationship manager, I think it was his role. And yeah, it was great discussion. I'm going to make another video. As I said, I want to make a video about all these other sections because I won't be able to do it justice in just this one video. But yeah, City Index got some very interesting stuff going forward. At the moment, this is no secret. They've got integration with TradingView, so you can use TradingView's user interface on their platform, which is a real game changer because I haven't seen that in any of the other spread betting platforms. So yeah, I'm definitely going to check that out and do a review of the City Index platform, and hopefully I might get invited around. I don't know, we'll see what happens there. But yeah, I had a great chat with them, and I really learned a lot about their the software and where they're going and their USP. And I also spoke to the managing director Miles Hunt of of Harrison House. And Harrison House is they are UK's leading independent publisher of financial books and ebooks. So I bought a couple of books. Actually, hold on one second. Bought a couple of books off of them. Spreadbetting book, Shares Made Simple book, and the Investment Trust Handbook. I'm gonna read all these books and do a review on the channel when I get through all of them, and probably recommend them to you depending on how I feel about the books, and just give you a breakdown of what I think about them anyway. So stay tuned for a review of these books as well. Yeah, so it was great chatting to him as well. He gave me some insight into some great books that I could recommend you guys. So in the forthcoming, you'll see me make some videos about some book reviews that will be relevant for new traders and traders that have already got experience in the market and want to supplement their knowledge. And finally, I spoke to a guy called Nathan at Apex Algorithm. Now, this is a very interesting company. Their football betting syndicate company that bets on behalf of traders. It's a bit like, actually, I wouldn't want to compare them to another company, but the way I liken them to the eToro or sports betting. So you allow them to trade on your behalf, and they profit share with you, and they hold your account for, I think it's a minimum of 12 months, and they'll profit share the winnings of their betting. It's a bit more complicated than that. They use a lot of sophisticated maths to do their betting, but I had a great chat with them, and I'm gonna investigate it further because it sounded very interesting, and it'll be something to provide some content for you guys. Because even though this channel is all about trading, any money making is money making at the end of the day, as long as it's legal. So I'm always interested in new ventures. So yeah, so I just wanted to give a little insight into some of the stands that I spoke to. So that was and some of the presentations that I saw. The standout presentation to me was Tom Stevenson's one on Is It Time to Buy British? I spoke to UK Investor Magazine. Okay, actually another one I didn't tell you about was UK Investors Magazine. Let me go onto their page actually. Their magazine, for, as you say, as is obvious there, is UK Investors, and it's a digital magazine that focuses on UK stocks, and they're free for subscribers. So if you subscribe, you can get quarterly physical copy sent to you if you ask for it. And I think it's great because a lot of these type of sites are hidden behind paywalls. So if you find one that can give you some great information on stocks and shares within the UK or within your own region, then it's always good to subscribe to them, because you don't know how long you're going to get this information for before they all start hiding them behind paywalls. So yeah, this is a website that I've just found out today through the stand that was at the event, and I'm going to start checking out more for some information. So that was just a little bit of a roundup of all the different stands I went to and some of the talks I visited. I want to try and make some solo videos on some of these based on the interest levels. Let me know if you're interested in any of the companies that I spoke about, and let me know which ones you think I should make solo videos on in the comment section below. So it's Any, aka the Not Trader, signing out.